topic is food handlers manual, and let us do the introduction. Foodborne disease (FBDs) are one of the most frequent public health problems in daily life. The hazard that cause FBDs may occur in different stages of the food chain, from primary production to table. Independently from its origin, food once the food reaches the customer, it may have an impact on public health and causes severe economic damage to the establishment devoted to the preparation and sale. These two events may cause loss of confidence and closing down of the business. Unfortunately, Fortunately, the measures for preventing food contamination are very simple and may be applied to by anyone who handles food by following easy rules for hygiene and food handling. This manual's purpose is to provide to people who handle food and particularly to food handlers, instructors, the information they need to facilitate the teaching of proper procedures to food workers. In addition, it seeks to provide basic information about food safety that Latin American and Caribbean countries may adopt to their own need, and so do we Indians. The manual is organized into three modules and appendices focusing on following topics: food hazard, FBDs, hygienic measures to prevent food contamination. The evaluation at the end form part of manual. Its purpose to assess the knowledge learned during the course regarding the importance of hygienic food handling for public health. Now, who is food handler? A food handler is anyone that handles packed or unpacked food directly, as well as equipment and utensils used to prepare a severe food and surface that comes into contact with food. For food handlers are expected to meet food hygiene requirement. Food handling is something that we all do daily, regardless of our occupation, whether we are cooking professionals, homemakers, or working in food plant. Therefore, there are many people who thought their effort and work ensured that the food we consume on daily basis is of sufficient hygienic quality that we can avoid the hazard of FBDs. All of us have heard of diseases such as diarrhea and other kind of gastrointestinal illness caused by the lack of food hygiene. FBDs affect mainly the most susceptible segment of our society, namely children, elderly, and pregnant women, and persons who are ill or not unwell. About two-thirds of the FBD's epidemics have their origin in food consumption in restaurants, cafeterias, school, dining room, and even at home. If we always handle food we with clean hand and follow the proper hygienic procedures, we can prevent our families or our clients from the risk of consuming contaminated food. Our contribution as food handler is critical in a food establishment, and our work is of the utmost importance to our own health and the health of our family, our community, and the businesses where we prepare food. Food chain. The food chain extends from the farm or primary production to the final consumers. from the farm to the table and include processing, manufacturing, transformation, packaging, storage, transportation, distribution and sale and other provision of the food product. At each of these stages, there is responsibility to keep food under the same safety condition and appropriateness until the moments of its consumption. The main purpose of food hygiene is thus to ensure all the necessary conditions and measures required to guarantee that food is safe and appropriate to all the stages of food chain to prevent food contamination and reduce the risk of acquiring foodborne disease.